Hello everyone, let's see how to change desktop wallpaper in Windows 11. First, right click on your desktop, click on the personalize, and here Windows settings open. Click on the background option. In personalize your background, here the picture option selected. You can see recent images. When you click on the any images, so I select here the image, and you can see the preview of your desktop wallpaper. Then next, choose a photo. You can browse the photo from your desktop and you can set your desktop wallpaper. Third, choose a feed for your desktop images. So click on this drop down arrow and here the different option available. So click on the center and choose your background color. You can choose the different background color here. Okay. And next in personalize your background, I click on this drop down arrow. Now I select here the second option, solid color. You can see the different color here showing. Next I select the slideshow. In slideshow, you can browse the album from your desktop. You can change the picture set here the timing. So every 1 minute, 10 minutes to create a slide. Okay. Then next here, the Windows Spotlight. Okay, so you can select the Windows Spotlight option also. You can check here the preview also. You can see the Windows Spotlight preview. So I just click on this drop down arrow and select the first option picture. And here I select the recent images. This one. Okay, see here the preview. Now I close this setting dialog box and here you see. So that's it. This is a way you can change to desktop wallpaper in Windows 11. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.